individual for reach somewhere in life. Them need support. You need a group of people for your support you. A group of people for your talk about you. A group of people for your promote you. You alone can't do it. You need support. See? You need that support system there. Something for your support you. The structure around you for your support you. See? The generation before cost the younger generation. Because the younger generation them come together indirectly. So when somebody from the younger generation do something, anything, them get support right across the board. So it just busting at the internet world, it become the trend, everything. See? You need support. So the moral of the story, you have some people in your circle. Them say they must support you. Yes, they must support you if you fail. Because when you read pros and cons and check it, see? For instance, me as an artist, post my song. 100 people are part with me and only 3 alone I repost it. When you check the other 97 status, feed them story and feed them status. Remember me an artist post, when you check a Beyonce, them a post. Pussy, you don't know a Beyonce? Eh? A Beyonce carry on a driving, you know? A Beyonce buy on the things? Eh? You never support it, but you jig for yourself. See? Boom, you advertise your product, or you advertise your business, them not support it. But them want benefit from it. See? Yeah, you put up your music now, but you check them timeline of Rihanna music, all type of music there, and not even one a year one. If you have to remind people that your circle to support you, then you're gonna need them. Tell them to get the fuck out of here. Give a space so you can inhale and exhale. See? Yeah, you know if you have no sympathy. You can't talk about, yo, man, I'm bridging them long time. Them not support you. For any individual to reach somewhere in life, meditation you need a full support system and a full people around you will support you. You see people like us say a fucker in the world because fucker get supported. See? Things that were trivial get supported. And something trivial post, everybody like it, everybody support it. Everybody like it, everybody support it. So it have value, it have weight. See? So up in the country, sad to say, them say JOTC man, kill taxi man. You know what I mean? That's the vibe that we're going at Jamaica now. But the taxi man, them take a stand and say, yo, them not run a taxi. The bus man, them take a stand. So you see, it gets supported. See? When I say violence is the way out, but it gets supported from a group of people, support. See? A thing, it have to have certain presence. It gets certain value to it. People start to look into it. See? So if people around you, nah support you, and I act, what the fuck when I drive up and down with man for? Wanna par with me for? Tell them get the fuck out of here and don't apologize to it. Because you have to reach somewhere now. See? You better you par with 3 somebody where support you more than 90 if you make up the crowd. Boom! Meditation.